Okay guys, today our topic is virtualization and cloud computing presented by Sabyasachi Sarangi, lecturer in information technology, branch information technology. What is actually a definition of virtualization? Virtualization is the ability to run multiple operating system on a single physical system and share the underlying hardware resources. It is a process by which one computer hosts the appearance of many computers. Virtualization is used to improve IT throughput and cost by using physical resources as a pool from which virtual resources can be allocated. This is the architecture of virtualizations. This is application VM trust OS, and this is the two are the guest OS, and one is the application of VM. This is the architecture of virtualization. Hypervisor. Actually, hypervisor is a virtual machine manager or monitor or virtualization manager. It is program that allows multiple operating systems to share a single hardware host. Each guest operating system appears to have the host, processor, memory, and other resources all to itself. However, a complete computing environment. Hardware independence, virtual machines run independently of the underlying hardware, and portability, virtual machines can be migrated between different hosts. Virtualization in cloud computing. Cloud computing takes virtualization on one step further. This is the steps of how virtualization is set up. First, we need to own the hardware. Resources are rented in from a cloud. Various providers allow creating virtual servers. Choose the OS and software. Each instance will have the chosen OS will be run on a large server farm. Can install more virtual servers or shut down existing ones within minutes. We get billed only for the what you used. Virtualization security challenges. The trusted computing based PCB of the virtual machines is too large. PCB is a small amount of software and hardware that security depends on and that we distinguish from a much larger amount that can misbehave without affecting security. Smaller PCBs are more secure. Action virtualization and architecture and the threat model. This is the management VM Domo based faculty topic. This is the architecture of virtualization architecture. What are the requirement of securities for virtualization? Scenario: a client use the services of a cloud computing company to build a remote VM, a secure network interface, a secure secondary storage, a secure runtime environment, build, save, restore, destroy. Virtualization security. Another one is your secure runtime environments is the most fundamental. The first two problems already have solved. Network interface, transport layer security, secondary storage, network file systems. This is the smaller DCB solutions. This is the scenario of management, gas, VMM, hardware, smaller DCB. This is the building process. First one is the allocate new memory. Next it comes to the copy. Kernel to VM, set UPM message tables, release foreign mapping, set up virtual CPU context, launch new VM building, ready to check and ready to run. This is the hypervisor vulnerability. Malicious software can run on the same server. Attack hypervisor access obstruct other VMS. Roles of the hypervisor. First one is the CPU scheduling virtual machines, memory, managing memory, emulating IO devices, networking, managing virtual machines. These are all the references for virtual no hype. You can see it references. Okay, thank you. So.